How to make Copper Golem in Minecraft. In this video I will show you how can you make a Copper Golem. When you spawn a Copper Golem, it will spawn with a copper chest. Let's spawn the Copper Golem. First you need to mine some copper ore using a pickaxe. It will give you raw copper. Now melt raw copper in furnace to make copper ingot. Now make a block of copper using these ingots. Now place the block of copper. Now you need a carved pumpkin. Now place the carved pumpkin at the top of that block of copper. And as you can see, a Copper Golem spawned with a copper chest. You can use the Copper Golem to manage your items. If your Copper Golem is not spawning, then update your Minecraft app, then try again, because this feature is added in the latest update. And that's it. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment section.